If you feel stuck, broke, overwhelmed, or just life is just so chaotic and falling apart, then this is for you. I know what it feels like to be stuck. I've been battling chronic illness. I've been homeless twice, lost everything after making millions of dollars. I lost it all. And I know how hard it is to be in that situation, have no help, and see all these gurus online saying, I've got the solution to all your problems, give me all your money. Or some doctor, yeah, I can cure you, give me all your money. Well, if you have no money, if you're screwed, if you're homeless, what do? I wanted to do something a bit different to help people who are the most in need. So this summit is completely free. It's 100% free. It's called Fix Your Life for Free because everything is free. There's no upsells. I'm not going to say during the summit, now give me your credit card. No card details required. You just need an email address to send the details. That's all you need. Over the 3 days, I'm going to walk you through the system that I designed to help transform my life. From chronic pain and homeless to owning a hotel, being pain-free. I can't promise that it will work for every single person on earth, but I can promise that if you try, you have a chance of improving your life. Nothing is complicated. It's not unrealistic stuff. It's basic human biology, and I would try to teach it in a way that it's not too scientific to allow more accessibility to people who don't study science. It's just simple tools that you can actually use every day to improve your life. You don't need to be motivated. It's not some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. It's not all these internet things selling you, promising to save you from everything. It's not like that. This is basic tools of human biology that you can use to improve your health. And when your health improves, everything else gets better. You just need to start somewhere. Wherever your starting point is, it doesn't matter. You could be homeless and sick on the street. You can still do this. So let's go for it. Let's try. You'll get access to the live sessions, live on YouTube and Zoom. Afterwards, there'll be replays in the group for those who can't attend live. Then you'll get free access to my course, 3 months where you'll go through 6 different modules, which will cover in introductory in the live shows, but I can't give the whole thing away live because it's hours and hours and hours. You'll be here all day. In order to get it for free, you must sign up before the event. On the 1st of May is when we go live for the first show, Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to start at 8 p.m. GMT, so we'll have to change that to whatever time zone that you are in. It's for anyone who feels stuck, overwhelmed, struggling with their health problems, struggling with money problems, or just getting through the day is just so stressful. These are tools to help manage your nervous system, makes you feel a bit better, nourish your body. We'll go through everything in detail in the course, don't worry. I'm not here to pretend that I know everything. Just because I've managed to fix my problems doesn't mean that I can fix everything in the whole world, but I can try. These are tools that I use to fix my problems, and they can help people that are in similar situations fix theirs too. But I can't do it for you. I can invite you to come on a journey with me to maybe fix your life. But if you don't try, you're never going to get anywhere. So that's why I made it free, because the number one limiting factor is I can't afford it. I can't afford to be healthy. Well, that's a lie, because everything is free. So you've got no excuse. If this sounds like something that might help you, or maybe you have a family member who is suffering and you want a way to help them, or maybe your child is suffering and you want a way to help your child, anyone in your family, friends, or anyone who, tell them all about this free summit and sign up with the link below. Either click in the link in the description, or there'll be an overlay on the video. Just go to the website, bpmlifestyle.com/summit. But enter your name and your email address. I'll send you all the details, and we'll be ready to go on the 1st of May. I will see you there. I hope to see thousands of people. If not, maybe just 2 people, but I don't care if it's 1 person, 2 people, or 20 million people. We're going to help someone. Okay, so join me. I will see you at the summit. Thank you very much. Bye.